Reaction of metals with water under different temperature conditions. Aim: to study the reaction of metals with water under different temperature conditions. Materials required: test tubes, metallic samples such as sodium, magnesium, zinc, lead, iron, aluminium and copper. Beaker, 1-holed cork apparatus, distilled water, glass wool with watch glass, boiling tube, gas jar, forceps, laboratory stand, burner, delivery tube, trough. Procedure: reaction of metals with cold water. Take 7 test tubes labeled as A, B, C, D, E, F and G and half filled with cold water. Add a small amount of clean metallic samples of sodium, magnesium, zinc, lead, iron, aluminium and copper in each test tube and observe the reaction. Reaction of metals with hot water. Take a beaker with 100 milliliters of water and boil it. Take 6 test tubes labeled as A, B, C, D, E and F and half filled with boiled water. Add a small amount of clean metallic samples of magnesium, zinc, lead, iron, aluminium and copper in each test tube and observe the reaction. Reaction of metals with steam. Arrange the steam apparatus by adding the glass wool to a boiling tube and attaching it to the test tube stand in a horizontal position. Add the metal sample of zinc into the test tube just above the glass wool. Close it 1-holed cork apparatus and connect the delivery tube to the cork in one end. Keep the other end of the delivery tube towards the trough and on top, place a gas jar in an inverted position. Place the burner under the steam apparatus and turn on the knob and observe the reaction. Place the remaining metallic samples such as lead, iron, aluminium and copper one by one and observe the reaction. Observation: sodium reacts violently with cold water. The reaction is so violent, and since it is exothermic, the generated hydrogen gas immediately catches fire. Magnesium does not react with cold water. It reacts with hot water to form magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. It also starts floating due to the bubbles of hydrogen gas sticking to its surface. Metals like aluminium, iron and zinc do not react either with cold or hot water, but they react with steam to produce metal oxide and hydrogen gas. Metals such as lead and copper do not react with water at all. The metals are arranged in the decreasing order of reactivity with water under different conditions as follows. Sodium is greater than magnesium, is greater than aluminium, is greater than zinc, is greater than iron, is greater than lead, is greater than copper. Observations are recorded in the table. Precautions: be careful when handling sodium metal because it can react with skin moisture. All samples of metallic compounds under examination should have the same amount of exposed surface area. Sandpaper should be used to clean all metals except for sodium.